Hi, my name is Marco Duran. I am from the Philippines, specifically in the Central Visayas region. I was born on July 9, 1979, so that makes me 35 years of age. I am married with one child. He is now 7 years of age. I have a bachelor's degree, major in geodetic engineering, and my trade is in the field of welding. I am a certified 6G welder. I've been in the industry for more than 6 years now. The recent job that I had was in Saudi Arabia. I worked there as a welding instructor for 2 years, since June 2012 to June 2014. So that was an overview of myself. So today, I'm making this video to demonstrate my skill on fabrication. So the fabrication that I'm going to make is a square frame, dimension of 15 inch by 15 inch by 1 inch. The joint that I'm going to make will be having a 45-degree cut and should have a right angle. So it's going to be a perfect square. Alright, now I'm going to show you some of the tools that I'm going to be using on fabrication. We have here some of the measuring tools. This one is a frame square. Here we also have the square steel tape. This one here, marking tools, chipping hammer, ball peen for hammering tools, cleaning tools, wire brush. We have also some of the bending tools. You have your clamp, those with small sizes and even the large ones here. For finishing materials, we have a half round file, a power tool. This is a portable hand grinder. This has a guard. I have here also a grinding stone. I'm going to show you some of the PPEs, or personal protective equipment, before you're going to work or in the fabrication area. Here I have a clear glass or safety glass. I have cotton hand gloves to protect your hands, leather gloves when doing welding. And also we have this welding helmet. We also have a welding apron, long sleeve, again to protect your skin. And be sure to wear jeans and leather shoes. Alright, this is the bandsaw here. So the switches. This one is the stationary vise. This is the adjustable vise. To get a preferred angle that you like, for this one, I want a 45-degree angle. So if you can see numbers here, there you go. For this one here, and this one is the wheel, the vise wheel. It's on a 45-degree now. Lock it tight. Lock this one tight before you turn on the bandsaw. So here you have cut both sides, both ends 45 degrees. And you need 3 more to make a square. We're looking at a MIG welding machine. At the back of the machine is a tank of CO2, the regulator. This is what's inside the tank right now, the pressure. And after that, we have a flow meter. The next thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to place a small tack on each of the corner here, there, to hold it temporarily. Now I'm preparing for welding. As you can see, I did a tack on the edge of it. And to check if I have a perfect square, measure the corner here, 21 and a quarter or 1/4. And the other side is, yeah, 21 and 1/4. We have a lot of things we can do with this frame. We can add legs if you want to make it a table, or chairs, and even window frames. Or you can put a metal sheet on it. So that's about it for now. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching.